Yun. So, first, punta tayo sa ating page and then click the Meta Business Suite. So let's just wait for it to load because our internet is not that faster. So make sure your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page so that isang post lang ang gagawin, dalawa na yung magpo-post. So hitting two birds in one stone. So alam niyo na nakalink yan kasi colored yung Instagram logo. Pag hindi yan siya colored, ibig sabihin hindi siya nakasync doon sa Instagram. So you should open your Instagram page para ma-connect yung Meta Business Suite ninyo doon sa Facebook. After that, we will go in the planner. Click planner. And then make sure you open your content calendar. So nasa Drive. Ay. So dapat may natapos na kayo kahit dalawa or tapusin nyo na lahat para hindi na kayo magpaulit-ulit. So make sure you open your content calendar. And then on your week 1 or yung day 1, ay sa akin kasi na-edit na to eh. Pinalitan na natin to. So punta tayo dito na lang para So yung topic is about us. So dito, we will press create. Medyo mabagal lang. After that, make sure na if you press the drop down button, click or check yung Instagram also para dalawa. Also, you can you have the option to tag or post it in groups. But for us, dalawa dapat yan kasi dapat Instagram at saka Facebook. And then after that, add photo. So, saan yung photo ko? Wait lang. Kasi dapat dito yan. Yan. So, kunin ko dito yung picture. Then, I will download this one in my content calendar. Okay, so after I downloaded it, click add photo, upload from desktop. So wait nyo lang. So, and then in the text, so copy nyo yung caption, excerpt. Control A, Control C. And then paste, Control V. And then enter. Copy the CTA muna, call to action. Control C, Control A, Control C, then Control V. And then enter. Copy the hashtag. Control A, Control C. And then Control V. Yan. So after you have done that, make sure you click the set date and time. For example, tomorrow is your first, di ba, posting. So what schedule or what date is tomorrow? October 24. So click 24. Also in Instagram, 24. And then, you can also click the active times. Para siya ng bahala. Yan. Yan yung mga active times. Ibig sabihin yan yung mga time na madaming users sa Facebook. And then, sa ilalim is on the Instagram. So, you can click today. Oh, today. No. Tomorrow. Yan. Importante lang, same yung date. Ganon. Kayo na bahala kung anong piliin nyo. Yan. So, make sure, 24. Tingnan nyo talaga yung date. And then after that, double check. So, dito yung preview niya, nasa right side. Then click the SIM on. Hindi makita. So, after that, you can click the schedule button. So, wait nyo lang. No lang. May bayad yan. So, dapat makikita ko to sa planner. So, ganun mag-schedule ng post in your Facebook MetaSuite. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, hintayin na lang yan natin bukas 2:40 PM. So, siya na magsiset or siya na mag-schedule. So, ganun lang kadali. Pag meron ng content calendar. Pag wala pa, syempre mahirap, di ba? So, pag natapos mo na kagad yung content calendar mo, kompleto na, di ba? Relax ka na. Schedule mo na from tomorrow until 7 days, di ba? Relax ka na lang. Hintay ka na lang. Yes, I will check that. Pero pag hindi malagas gid, iunahon nyo lang post ang first day. Ay, check ko gyapon siya, buwas. Mag-check gyapon ko buwas. Oh, 1 post per day.